I get this machine learning course from Coursera for free. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Coursera, and in this video I am going to explain the whole process of financial aid with the live proof. So let's start this video. You can see many courses on this catalog of Coursera. You can take all these courses for free by the help of financial aid. I also made one of the video on this financial aid process and also show you the answers, the expected answers, where you need to change some of the words and get all the courses for free. In this video, I am going to show you the live proof of getting any Coursera course for free, and this is the course of machine learning. Why I choose this course, I show you in the last. Here I get this course by financial aid process. In this course, there is a shareable certificate, 100% online course, flexible deadline and approx 54 hours to complete. This is a long course of machine learning and taught by Andrew Ng. Andrew Ng is co-founder of Coursera, CEO of Landing AI and also a professor in Stanford University. This course is offered by Stanford University. So in the course certificate you also get the logo of Stanford University. And now I'm going to show you why I choose this course. This is 4.9 rated course and also 1,43,079 ratings. So this is the best course on Coursera with 4.9 rating, and also 34,23,000 plus students are already joined this course. This is the maximum number of enrollment in any course of Coursera. And now I'm going to show you the whole course overview. You can see there are some remarks on the above of the chart, because I also start this course a few days ago but doesn't complete it because that is in auditable. Now I got this course with the certificate, so now I'm going to complete it. You can see I rescheduling the deadlines of modules, and after that you can see I succeed in rescheduling of the deadlines. Just tap on view course. Now all the deadlines are successfully reset, and you can see now there is no remarks. And from introduction of machine learning, this course contains all the aspects of machine learning. And now I'm going to show you the worth of this course, means how much you need to pay if it doesn't go through financial aid. So I'm going to show you the price of this course, and that is of rupee 4,453. You need to invest for it for getting a certificate. You can see on your screen, and after that we proceed to check out, and here you can see the same amount. There is no option of financial aid or any concession in this rupees, so there is only process of financial aid. From that you get this course for free and save your money. Now the time of live proofs. You can see on your screen, when I apply for this financial aid, I get this email from Coursera that financial aid is received from my side. And you can see there is an option of check status of your application, and also there is a deadline of 27 July. You can see in the above, I applied for this on 12th of July and it shows deadline of 27 July. And after 15 days I got this email, your financial aid application is approved for machine learning course. There is an option of go to course also, and you can see there is one more email from Coursera for enrolling in the course of machine learning. You can see on your screen. You can start from here, just tapping on watch this video. You get an introductory video of machine learning. You can check your status after 15 days by tapping on the email and tapping on check the status. And now I'm going to show you where you get the answers of financial aid. Here is my blogspot channel. I give the link in the description so that you directly reach at this position, and this is the wholesome financial aid process. All answers are here. You need to edit the highlighted words with your course name, and after that just copy it and paste where I show in this video, and after 15 days you get this course for free. The whole process of financial aid is explained in this video of Coursera. You can see on your screen. There is a link in the description of this video also. You can go through it and get all the courses for free. You can see this video, this much in this video. Thanks for watching.